When you're working with your 3-month-old baby, the things you have to consider are what movements are you looking for? Now, that seems to be easy. Go for the milestones. I want rolling over. I get it. But the movements that happen from birth to 3 months are your horizontal transitioning skills, right? That means you're going from tummy time to rolling over. All of those things are starting to happen. They need to happen in a horizontal manner in synchronized movements. That's the key. The movements aren't synchronized, right? This is what makes rolling over difficult. Now, I know some people like to work on the floor. Me, I just can't. So to be working down like this, you're not going to get those synchronized movements like you would if you're here. Nice. I work with the kiddos on the table, right? That's where I'm at. So what you're seeing is again, the movements aren't synchronized. Harder to do with the arms straight, right? But what you're looking for is again, see how detailed I can get when I'm right here? Now I can have something visually in front of my child so they can be here. I can be doing this when they're sleeping. But this is how I work. And so right here, if your child starts to go for that midline crossing, that needs to happen, not back like this, but needs to go forward. And that starts to happen there. Then you're gonna get that rolling over. The head's in the position, everything's nice and synchronized. What's the big deal about synchronization? It's easiest. When things synchronize or line up, things are easier. Milestones should be easy. That's why muscles don't come into play. And so your touch is great, but you want to work on right now because your child's not getting that horizontal transitioning skills. That's where you need to come into play and really offer it in such a gentle manner, and go from there.